I'll be back in a few minutes, guys. I'm gonna go and make a cuppa. Because I want a drink.
Alright, no worries.
Get me one.
Yeah, and I'll just ship it over to you, why don't I?
I have to ship it. I'm not that far away. There's not a sea in the middle of
Fucking
it.
hell, Lewis. Excessive. How do I look at my pictures? How do I look at the pictures we've sent?
Hey, Connor. Lewis is right,
Hey,
loser.
Beth.
Innit?
How do you look at pictures you've sent on Facebook?
You go in
Oh,
the
sorry,
chat.
I'll just send it myself.
No, go
I
in
know
the
how to
chat.
do that. I'm on the chat in PC. Never mind, I'm just gonna send myself it.
I'll send myself you.
Ho 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 ho. That's a good present. Where am I? I want to send it to myself. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've got such a good spray pen. You're gonna love it. Bev, what the fuck?
Yeah, don't look at my Vaseline. I'm hot.
Why don't you send it yourself? We need to keep it secret.
Okay, what secret?
What we're gonna spray paint around the map?
We're gonna spray paint this.
Oh my god. I've got such a good thing to spray paint.
Where are you?
Oh my god. Beth, just you wait until I spray paint this in chat. This is gonna be so funny.
I'm starting a video chat in the thing. How do I
fuck
start? I don't know how to turn this off.
What
Guys.
the fuck was
Oh my god.
What I can't breathe! I've got a stitch! Did you see Beth? Why are you laughing at me? Look at what Beth's put. What the fuck was that? I can't breathe. Why was that so funny?
I can just hear you laughing.
Stop it now.
We're grown people. We cannot laugh.
This is what I do with my Saturday nights.
Oh, this is so weird. I can just hear you say it before you see it. Like I think you say it before you say it.
What the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
Stop.
Stop.
Hammer time.
Stop.
Oh wait, Beth. Oh, watch this.
Look how big my nose is.
Right, you ready?
No. Oh! Oh, that was cool. Where? I want one. Oh! Great. Not doing it. Wait. I got a pussy on my head.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh
I might
my
want to go
god.
to a doctor about that.
Right, I want a cool one. Oh, I'm a bunny.
Rabbit, motherfuckers.
Eating all them carrots. Oh my god.
Hey, you eat! If you're a fox, you eat!
What's this one? Oh, this just gives you smiling session.
I'm a hipster motherfucker. Oh, you look a bit mad about something.
I just spat everywhere. Ah!
I hope Lewis isn't recording what we're doing. How the fuck did you do that? Oh, I see. I don't. How did you do that?
Go on the circles.
What circles?
The circles.
What circles?
Next to the star.
What circles next to the star?
There's 2 circles next to
I
the
see no
star.
circles.
Oh, that's disgusting. Why were we laughing for like 20 minutes? I don't get that.
Alright. We're done now. We're done now. That was funny as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie.
5-star quality. Why are we typing? We can hear each other too. I really hope Connor, I mean Lewis is recording. Oh,
oh my god.
oh my god.
Oh, Beth, that's funniest. That's most I've ever laughed, I'm not gonna lie.
That was so funny. Did you see my head?
I did not.
Can we do some graffiti then? Come here.
Oh yeah,
Can you go on a big internet one? A big game, like with other people.
oh, that's a good idea actually.
Yeah, we should do terrorist town like that. Should it or wait and Chloe?
I think, yeah, ask Lewis if we could, or prop hunt, either or.
Yeah, wait. Go back. Go onto your main menu and then go and find multiplayer game.
Wait, I'm not in the game anymore, I'm setting my picture up, so I can spray it.
What, you're spraying?
Hey, have you got your picture?
Why we choosing something to spray?
Yeah.
Right then, I'll choose something to spray.
Lewis?
Lewis isn't here yet.
I just heard him. That's what I heard. Anyway, Beth, I swear to God, if Lewis has left his recording equipment on, that's going to be the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Wait, what the bloody hell is this?
Oh, I hope he's kept his recording equipment on. He can make a video of just us two pissing ourselves.
I don't. Yeah, bloody hell. I wonder what we're doing.
Lewis.
Yes.
Please don't look back at what you've missed. Are you still recording?
Have you left your recording equipment on?
Yes.
Oh my
God.